इंडिया के अंदर उनका जो सपना है कि हर क्षेत्र में वर्ल्ड की टॉप 5 कंपनीज में इंडिया की कंपनी हो। अगर 20 कंपनियां हैं तो 5 कंपनियां भारतवर्ष से होनी चाहिए, और गवर्नमेंट उसके लिए सारी रिस्क लेने के लिए तैयार है और प्लेटफॉर्म और इनेबलिंग एनवायरनमेंट बनाने के लिए तैयार है।
We will grow, we will make India happen, and Indian financial sector will make India happen as per the dreams of the Prime Minister.
People see that India is on a cusp of greatness, and the ideas also were all flowing in from what India could do better. And I think that's the new spirit in the new India.
The role that he wants the industry to play. He wants the industry to think big. He wants the industry to think not just for their own benefit of their organizations, but also in terms of what they can contribute to building the nation.
The economy has recovered quite nicely, and this has been enabled by a lot of timely and purposeful interventions made by the government during the pandemic, and the reforms undertaken by the government under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, particularly during the pandemic period, are truly transformative.
India is at the leading position today in digital, which is why this is the time for us to take advantage and take a bigger place in the global stage.
Mr. Prime Minister has a great vision. He has a grand vision, great vision, and whatever is happening right now, all our future generations will be indebted to his great vision. It is not only the way he's running the country, but the way he has helped the country to come out of these very difficult pandemic situations.
The PM's dynamic leadership, what was really evident today was this is a very bold and confident India.
The Prime Minister's leadership has been absolutely inspiring. Over the years, he led literally from the front, and me as a healthcare worker, I know the amount of work which went in during the COVID times, and I'm so proud to be an Indian.
मुझे खुशी है कि भारत जो 2016 में स्टार्टअप इंडिया के रास्ते में उसकी शुरुआत हुई माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के निर्देश और डायरेक्शन के अंदर में, 11 से आज ऑलरेडी 79 यूनिकॉर्न्स बन चुके हैं भारत में, और बहुत तेज़ी से ये आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं।